Hello everyone, this is Arthur. Gonna show you a quick video regarding an EGR valve replacement on a 2005 Jaguar S-Type R. This should also apply to other S-Type Rs as well as XKR or XJR models. So this car had a EGR blockage code and decided to replace the valve. I purchased the parts from rockauto.com. They were under standard brand, about $400 for the gasket set and the valve. However, when they arrived, the gaskets were actually in OEM Jaguar bag, so they are genuine parts. And also the one that came out of here, the EGR valve, was exactly the same, Denso branded, made in Japan, just like the OEM one. So don't buy from a dealer paying $1,000. These $350, $400 will get you the same exact part. Now, as far as the replacement goes, which is not very easy, it's very tight. It goes behind the engine, right down there behind the bank one, towards the mass airflow. It's not mass airflow, the throttle body. So you have to remove this intercooler, this piping right here, this intake piping, and you have to remove the throttle body as well. There are two hoses that get connected to the EGR valve. However, to get to any of that, you're gonna have to remove all this from here out, and then most importantly, you have to remove the air filter box, and as well as this casing over here that the air filter box goes in. This for the AC filter. Once you remove that, it should give you enough access to get to the two 13mm nuts that go from behind the head to the corrugated metal pipe. And also there are two 8mm bolts. They go through the EGR valve right here. These two 8mm bolts go through here into the bottom of a throttle body of the whatever the part is under it. So you have to get a long extension and get to these, and and once you got this moving, then you're able to disconnect these two hoses. Very tight, but you're able to fish the whole thing out, and that way you can access to the lower bolts that hold this valve to that metal pipe. And installation is in reverse order. You feed this in, don't secure it yet, put the lines on, clamp them down. Very tight, but it's doable, but it's not that much room at all. And then once you fit it in, you put your two new gaskets on, two 13mm nuts on, then you fit in the two 8mm bolts from here, put in the coolant, bleed it, and you're done pretty much. Put everything else back. You check engine lights, clear it, and then that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you have this issue with your Jaguar S-Type R, follow those instructions and you should be able to get it out. Thank you for watching. Bye.